Today we had the privilege of playing at Windsor for the Strathmore Alumni. It's been a great day. Course is playing very well. I had been warned that we lose a lot of balls, but it looks like the course agreed with me, and I actually had a very nice game.
It was fun. It was a lot of fun. Well organized. Yeah. The starters were really hurrying us up, but it meant that we played at a good pace. Yeah. The course is tough. Yeah. It's Windsor is known for losing balls, so we lost quite a few as a group. Yeah, we lost quite a few. Yeah.
Game today was good, very good actually. It's my first time playing at Windsor. It's an outstanding course, and I really love the organization of the whole event.
As you can see, I've just met Jenga. I haven't met Jenga since, I think, a couple of years. So it's been a while. Yeah, so it's good because now you meet people you haven't seen in a long while. Yeah, you get an opportunity to talk with them and find out what's happening in their lives. So it's a good thing.
As a consultant, I get to mingle with a lot of people who may need my services. So I usually attend the events so that I can network and get to know more people, more like-minded people.